Hi, I'm Marisa. Welcome to my piano studio. In today's lesson, we'll be learning the theme song from Harry Potter, also known as Hedwig's theme, composed by the amazing John Williams. This is a piece that several students have requested, so I've come up with an arrangement for you. As a little side note, we're also approaching Halloween, so I think it's appropriate as this piece is somewhat spooky and hauntingly beautiful. I'll first demonstrate it for you and then go over the notes, the fingering, and the counting. Let's get started. Going over our right hand notes, we'll find middle C, go up a third or a skip to E. That's our starting key. We have E, A, C, B, A, E, D, B, A, C, B, G sharp, A, E, E, A, C, B, A, E, G, F sharp, F natural, C sharp, F, E, E flat, down an octave to the next lower E flat, C, A. Then we'll move our hand up 2 C's above middle C. Here's the first, here would be the second. C, E, C, E, C, F, E, E flat, B, C, E, E flat, down E flat, E natural, E an octave higher from there. Then down to this C above middle C, C, E, C, E, C, G, F sharp, F natural, C sharp, F, E, E flat, down an octave, E flat, C, A. Then we finish with C and A above it. The fingering that we use for those notes are 1, 3, 5, 4, then 1, 5, 4, 2, 1, then bring your 5 to the C, 5, 4, 2 on G sharp, 3, 1, hold, 1, 3, 5, 4, 1, stretch to 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, down to thumb, 5, 3, and hold. Then up to high, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5, 4, 1, slide 1, 5, then down 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, down an octave, 5, 3. Finish with C and A above it with 1 and 5. All right, let's go over left hand notes. I'll play the right hand above it so you can see the context of hands together, but I'll call out the left hand notes. So our starting position and our left hand, here's middle C, would be 2 A's below middle C. So we have right hand is pickup note E by itself, and then they play together. So left hand has A, then E, A, F, A, E, A, E, A, C, A. Then you have middle C on top with E flat below it. Then B flat on top, D flat below it. Then D and A together. F sharp and A together. A, E, A. Then left hand will move up high with the right hand. A, E, A, E, A, F, A, F sharp, A, E, A, C, A, C, E, A. Then it moves down to the C, 1 octave below middle C. C, A, E, middle C, E flat C, D flat, B flat, D, A, C, then A, E, A. Now I'll call out the fingering for left hand. So 5 will be on A. So we have 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, then 5, 2, 1. Then 5 moves up to C, 1. Then 3 on the E flat on the bottom, middle C with 1. Then 1 on B flat, 4 on D flat. Then 1 and 5. Then 1 and 3. 5, 2, 1. Moving high. 5, 1. 5, 1. 5, 1. 5, 1. Again. Then 5, 3. And 5, 3, 2, 1. Then move down to C. 5, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, then 5, 1, then 3, then 5, 2, 1. Now incorporating the rhythm and the counting for both hands. So the right hand starts with a more complex rhythm. There are 3 beats in a measure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And right hand's first note, which is a pickup, it is actually beat 3 that leads into the first full measure. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, Once we've practiced the notes, the fingering, and the counting, we can put it all together with the pedal. Great job. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to have fun and be patient with yourself as you continue to practice. Take it slowly, section by section. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next lesson.